Today, I am going to teach you how to add direct links to your library website that connect to databases that are included in Inspire. After you have accessed Inspire at www.inspire.in.gov, you will see that there are different ways to search the databases that are included in Inspire, such as databases A to Z and databases by subject. For this exercise, we will choose databases A to Z. Once the alphabetical list appears, choose the database that you wish to link to on your library's website. We will use an academic library as an example. An academic library might want to link to the database Academic Search Premier on their library's website so it is readily available when students are doing research. So, right-click on the title of the database, Academic Search Premier, and choose Copy Link Address from the menu that appears. Next, access your web editing software and insert the link like you would any other link that you wanted to add to your library's website. WordPress is the web editing software used in this example. The next step is to save and publish the new addition to your website in the web editing software. And this last slide shows the link to Academic Search Premier that has been added to the library's website. Adding direct links on your library's website to databases in Inspire that your patrons are more likely to use will make their life and your life much easier.